Let's get started with the settings page. At the settings page, there are three main things that you want to be putting up for yourself. First, this is a display picture that will appear on all the different modules that you'll be using in Headquarter. Second is where you'll key in the details that are needed for you to fill out. And third is where your master switches are, and you are able to make decisions whether or not you want to enable your web profile, newsletters, as well as whether or not you want to receive your daily first page SMSs. First, let's set up by uploading a photo of yourself with your face on it. Then key in the rest of the details. If you're setting this up for the first time, you can leave it blank first because this website address will be taken care of by the web profile module right here. Once you're done keying in, click on Save. Once your profile image is set up, this will appear on all the different features that you'll be using in Headquarter, such as your pre-appointment e-card, your insurance portfolio super summary, the physical postcards, as well as your trust recommendation message with your photo over here.